Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this nail gel polish set by Model Ones. They contacted me and asked me to pick a set of nail gel polishes to review, and I'm reviewing the Blue Blood set. And I really love this product. It has a really luxurious packaging and there's a ton of colors in the set. The price is really reasonable for everything that comes with it. They also sent me a base coat and a top coat. The polishes are very pigmented and creamy. The bristles are really soft. I really love them. These are all of the colors. So there's like a range of glitter, metallic, and solid colors. In this video, I decided to go for the more warm, neutral tones, which is something I don't really do very often, but I kind of was inspired by the luxurious feel of this set. So if you guys are interested, the link will be down below. So this set of nails is going to be a press-on set so that I can switch up my design later. So I just glued my full cover tips on and I clipped off the edges so that I can get a really sharp stiletto shape, and then I will buff the surface of the nail so that the gel polish can really stick on. So here I'm just applying the gel polish. This is my second layer. Now I'm going to top coat the nails with the top coat that they gave me. And I really like this top coat. It's a lot thicker than I'm used to, but it seems really high quality, and I like that it doesn't drip or run too much. It's also a no wipe top coat, which are my favorite. So here I'm using Vetro white art gel to make the Burberry lines on my nail. So I'm just making a kind of cross shape first in the white, then I'll come back in with black and do my fine lines. After that's cured, I'll go in with red, the same red that I painted on my nails. And I'm curing in between each color so that they don't run into each other. My brush is the Art Details brush from Couture. After my art is fully cured, I'm going to top coat once again. Now this is how I did the other hand. This is a nude gel polish from Banggood, and I'm just using this to act as my cover pink or nail bed color for the French that I'm going to do, using bronze and rose gold.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't.
And now I'm going to top coat those nails and cure.
It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
Here I'm using IBD 5 seconds nail glue to apply some stones.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter.
After that, I'm going to top coat around my stones. After applying cuticle oil, this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of these nails. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
It doesn't